Hi everyone, Tim from Grandad's Workshop. Right, we're continuing on with our book Nook, the library within a book cover. Fitted wall units is step 37. That's all our books pushed out, our two shelves, and we've just given a quick tickle with the old sandpaper on the opposite side, the one with no stain. Let's just put the glue on there. I don't think, because they're all marked where the books go, I don't think you could put the books on first if you wanted. I don't think it matters. Okay, so there's your two shelves, and then it's just a matter of following your patterns for your books, which had I kept them in order in the first place would have been a lot easier, but there you go. That's not me, is it? Okay, so we've got our backboard, the two shelves, and our actual books. Now, I was a bit clever me, I pushed them all out because these are marked, thinking that'd be dead easy. It's just taken me off camera about 10 minutes to get all the pieces lined up in the right respective order to match the outlines on the board. So it might be an idea as you push them out to keep them in their said positions. Save yourself a few minutes. Okay, so that's all our books on that bookcase. So that's step 37. So we've got to step 38. We're going to finish off the bookcase and make it look all posh. So you've got your two off of the ornate ends. The ornate ones are going to go on the outside. Single ones at the top, double at the bottom. So that's how they're going to go. Glue them together, let them set, and then glue them on as a unit. So the two cutouts are at the bottom. Now that's the right way up your books. And put the single cutout at the top. Once you've got your sides in place, we can put our little filigree base plate on. Right, so that is step 38. Step 39. That's your two doors, little arches at the top, and your other piece D16 is going to be the very top. It goes in place, so it just leaves us the top. Pop some glue on there. Pop the top on like so. We'll flush with the back and the overhang at both sides. It's pretty much the same. Step 40, nice little cabinet. So C14 is the top, C1 is going to be inside, it's like the inlay front panel, C11 and 2 C2s. I'll go at the edge. I can't really tell you which order to assemble these, so they're going to go on the outside, not the inside. Just going to fit the top. And there's your lovely cabinet, might be. Would you say there was a sideboard, Jan?
Yeah.
Sideboard, isn't it?
Beautiful.
It is. It is. Right, let's pop that up there next to the bookcase to dry. Which brings us to step 41. Okay, so you've got 2 C7s, and you will notice that that is the base end, because at the top it's slightly longer. From the filigree to the tip, so that's your C7s, 3 C8s, the ones with the notches, C9, and two C3s and 2 C4s, distinguishable because the C3s are slightly smaller. Right, it's actually saying on here, pay attention to the direction of the notch, which goes to the back. So on that side, if I can do it, I'm running out of arms, but I think it'll be 2 notched pieces like so, with your filigree piece at the front, and on the right hand side I think you've got the inside one has got a notch and the outside one is solid. All the fancy stained edges will be facing the same way because eventually they're going to go on this missing wall, so they'll be like, so you'll only see from the front, and that's where the stained bit is going to be. Right, and these pieces go on the outside of the filigree. So you want the smallest of the stand pieces. You see there's very little in it. One's just, it's all same length, one's just slightly narrower than the other. So your stained edge wants to be facing up towards the top. That's the two pillars. So what we need to do now is bring back into play our sideboard. These are going to attach to the outside. So what you're hoping is now that you've got both your pillars on, it should sit nice and flat with no gaps underneath it. 43, which brings into play our last side, which is side I. I'm going to effectively do step 44 and then go back. We're going to be going with our sideboard. It goes flush up to the edge, but at the bottom there's 3 lugs that are going to go into the base of the existing library, so we do not want to go beyond those slots.
Broken china, no. Tumble glass, no. Peacock, absolutely not.
So that's that bit. We've done step 44, we're going to go backwards to step 33 and we're going to put all these C pieces in to make this little book. Eight, 5. This lovely landscape. Yeah, just get your tree the right way up. Focus. So there you go, that's step 45. For step 46 we're going to load up all our shelves with books, that's good. Top left. So we've got a little seascape for this one. Telling us we want 6 folding books and 32 wooden books. So we've got 6 folding books and 32 wood books.
Okay. Just let me put these on and I might take some up, put that heating on, it's red hot.
It is warm.
Yeah, I'll turn it off when I get downstairs.
Stand up picture. So thanks for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed it thus far, and don't forget to like and subscribe and join me for the final part of the assembly.